Hey guys, I got me in an Ego 15-inch string trimmer. I've been reading a lot of reviews and this seemed to be a good one. It's 56 volt. We're going to get it opened up, see what we get in the box, and then I'm going to try it out. So stick around. That's a heck of a charger right there, buddy. Tell you what, it ought to brighten some battery's life. All our paperwork here. A little Allen wrench with a screw right here. We'll see what that's for in a moment. And our 56 volt lithium ion battery. Some assembly required. More assembly required. And that is all, folks. That's pretty much what we get with it. Well, that is a big old weed eater. Look at the size of the head on that thing. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look how that works. Hopefully you can see that. It just folds. That's where that screw is going to go, right there. It's a long, straight shaft on there. I was hoping it would be plenty long. I hate weed eating, and you're right there at your feet. That's one of the things I really don't like. I had a curved shaft gas weed eater. That, if you're shorter, that's fine, but where you live, where there might be a snake or two or something like that, I don't want my feet right up there with it. Okay, there's that. Now we'll put our handle on here. Okay, as far as your handle goes, I personally would probably just kind of hold it on there and see where you may want it. You can adjust it later, but get it on there, but before you tighten it up, kind of get an idea of where you want it. Well, for me, just feeling that, it looks like it's going to go right down up against this piece right here. Right there. It's where it felt good to me anyhow. Like I said, you can adjust it later. A nice pad on that handle right there too. Alrighty, got it all assembled. Pretty much all you have to do is put this handle on here, put your screw in the shaft right there, make it straight, and your guard right here. One of the things I kind of wanted to point out, this is not the power load. The power loader is the one that's got the little push button right there that you can load that line up automatically. This is the rapid reload. So all you have to do is put your line in this way and then turn the head. When we need to reload it, I'll video that. But that is all I'm going to review for today. It's raining, so can't really get out there and use it. Plus, I want to use it more than once. I want to get a real feel for it and give you my real honest opinion about it. So I'll check back with y'all when I learn more about it. Yeah, I don't know if I covered it the other day, but if you push that button in and hold it, you can see the status. If all the green LED lights are lit up, it's charged fully. I'll put the percentage here on the left. And that's how you know how much charge you have in your battery. And we're going to test this thing out and see how well it goes. Get our battery on there. Okay, good to go. Oh, there was one thing I forgot to do, I think, and that's take the tape off the blade right here. Got a little cutting blade there. Now this trigger is a variable trigger. If you squeeze it harder, it'll cut more or faster. Definitely it's cutting it good. When the line gets a little short, you can just bump it. And there we go. Cut right through some of this heavier stuff. Wow, it cut that. That's amazing. Cut that little tree down. That's crazy. I just want to show you real quick. It cut those down. Look how thick that is. Here's my thumb. What was that, ½ inch around? Cleared all that out right there. We got 2 bars left. We're going to go do another yard and see how far we get with it. Well, there you have it, folks, the 56-volt Ego weed eater. I used it for a couple of days, and I did about 1.5 yards. Did all of my yard and part of another yard, and then the battery went dead. Time-wise, I don't know. Yard-wise, it'll do the job on your average yard. I mean, I had trees to weed eat around, a sidewalk to edge down, and of course the backyard around storage shed. Well, you pretty much saw what I had to do. Anyway, it did a really fantastic job. It's definitely a winner in my book. And I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order yours if you'd like to have one. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Not much else to say. The action speaks louder than my words can express the greatness of this weed eater. No, seriously, it really is a nice weed eater. It does the job, man. I tell you what, it's actually seems like it has as much power, maybe a little bit more than a big Troy built that I had. It kind of got a shaft bent on it, so that's why I had to replace it. Anyway, definitely a winner. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.